Mamata versus Modi, the big showdown that took place on Tuesday in Mamata Didi's turf. Prime Minister Modi went all guns blazing against Bengal Chief Minister that she was accusing allegedly a section of the monks associated with the Ramakrishna Mission, Bharat Sevashram Sangh and ISKCON of acting on behalf of BJP. So Prime Minister Modi jumped on it asking why make such statements specifically to target monks. But here in this debate, in this showdown, also were Swami Vivekanand and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose tributes. Mamata Banerjee's mocked Prime Minister Modi, saying all of this is basically just election optics. Planning commission that was constituted by Bose was also dissolved, and asking why not declare Netaji's birthday as a holiday as well. TMC General Secretary lashed out at Prime Minister Modi for paying tribute to Netaji and Masarda. Here's all that unfolded in Bengal of how every step that Prime Minister Modi took was charged at by Mamata Banerjee, and every comment of Mamata Banerjee was reacted to by Prime Minister Modi.
टीएमसी से सच बर्दाश्त नहीं होता। जो कोई भी टीएमसी के गुनाह सामने लाता है, टीएमसी उनको टारगेट करती है। आपने भी देखा है कि टीएमसी के एमएलए ने साफ साफ कहा कि हिंदुओं को भगीरथी में बहा देंगे। इस पर बंगाल के संतों ने टीएमसी को रिक्वेस्ट की कि जरा आप अपनी गलती सुधार लीजिए, और बड़ी नम्रता से रिक्वेस्ट की। लेकिन टीएमसी ने हमारे संत समाज को ही धनाधन गालियां देना शुरू कर दी। अब रामकृष्ण मिशन, इस्कॉन, भारत सेवाश्रम संघ, ये ऐसी महान संस्थाएं हैं, दुनिया में उनकी प्रतिष्ठा है। उनके संतों को अपमानित करना, भाइयों बहनों, ये सब अपने वोट बैंक को खुश करने के लिए, वोट जिहाद को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए किया जा रहा है।
কোথায় মনে থাকে না যখন নেতাজি সুভাষচন্দ্র বোসের জাতীয় ছুটির দিবস ওই দিনটা ঘোষণা করা হওয়া উচিত বলে আমি 15 বছর ধরে লড়াই করছি, আজ পর্যন্ত তোমরা করনি, আমরা তো করেছি। তোমাদের লজ্জা করে না? নেতাজির ছবিতে মালা দিচ্ছ ইলেকশনের সময়। ইন্ডিয়ান ন্যাশনাল আর্মি কে তৈরি করেছিলেন? নেতাজি সুভাষচন্দ্র বোস। প্ল্যানিং কমিশন কে তৈরি করেছিলেন? নেতাজি সুভাষচন্দ্র বোস। আর উঠিয়ে দিয়েছেন কে? নরেন্দ্র মোদী।
Suryagini joins me for the latest on this, and ahead of Phase 7, clearly you can see how the high-stake election campaign in Bengal. Suryagini, tell us about Bengal in terms of how this is as much significant for the Congress party, but for Mamata Banerjee's political survival and for BJP to be making inroads into the state, the manner in which Prime Minister Modi constantly returning to Bengal.
Well, let's not forget the Prime Minister was conducting his, sabhas or rallies, as we call them, ahead of the polls being declared. So that clearly indicates how important West Bengal is. And in 2021, we had seen how the BJP, used its full force, full star campaigners ahead of the assembly elections. The results were not in their favor. As such, now in 2024, you can see an array of BJP leaders, top leadership, be it JP Nadda, be it Amit Shah, or even the Prime Minister, who are, conducting mega rallies back to back. And the Prime Minister was the first Prime Minister to even do a roadshow in the city of Kolkata. Earlier, no Prime Minister has, done a roadshow in this particular in the city. That clearly indicates now, it becomes important to mention one thing, Pooja, that yesterday, after yesterday's roadshow, Mamata Banerjee is conducting a similar kind of a roadshow in that same zone that is today. So from Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's statue at Sham Bazaar in North Kolkata till Swami Vivekananda's house in North Kolkata as well. So that clearly indicates how heated up the political situation is, Pooja. None of the
And
political
always
parties,
have to say, in
especially-
all other states, Suragni, isn't it? It's Bengal, specifically Mamata Modi showdown. That's definitely the most high stake and charged up this election season. Thank you very much. Keep tracking all the latest on that.